Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly mount the OSI alarm panel onto the wall. The tools you will need is one drill bit slightly smaller than the wall anchor to create the pilot holes, Phillips head screwdriver or Phillips drill bit, one hammer, and one level. First, on the back of the OSI alarm panel, slide the tamper-proof switch plate down and pull it out. Then place the tamper-proof switch plate against the wall with the flat side facing the wall. Adjust it to where you'd like to have the display installed. Keep in mind that the cable and power supply must be able to reach the electrical outlet. If you need a longer micro USB cable to reach a more suitable distance, you can purchase different lengths such as a 6-foot, 10-foot, or 15-foot, for example, at Amazon. Once you've found the correct spot, take your level and place it underneath
Hey guys, so I want to come on real quick and do a review on this new wireless home security system I just got from Amazon, and I'm so excited, you guys. There are so many things about this that I can't wait to tell you. Aside from it being wireless, it's also something that you can download an app and work remotely from your phone. So you don't have to have the key fob if you don't want. Everything's gonna be on your phone, customize it however you want, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So the one thing that's exciting, you guys, is a lot of times when you get a security system, there's contracts and you have to contact companies, and with this, you don't have to do any of that. So there's no contract, it's all with what you wanna do. You can customize where you wanna put the sensors, the devices, all around your house, the doors, the windows, whatever you guys wanna do. So I love that part, to be able to customize the places that you wanna keep the most safe. So what you guys wanna do when you get it, on the back of the box, there is one of those QR boxes. So you wanna scan that and it's going to prompt you to download the app, and that's where you're gonna set up all your devices. You get an alarm base, and this can pair with Google or Alexa, which is really nice because then all you have to do is say, Alexa, disarm, Alexa, away, all those things. I'm gonna tell you all about it, but I love that you can do everything from your smartphone. intelligent. I love these with your phone. I love that you can get notifications. You can control this from your phone. So if the alarm's